Huh? How to drop a K24 motor. What up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today will be the first part in a few series of taking apart a K24. First, I just got the motor stand and here it is. It's from Torin. It's a Pro Series Big Red Jack. It's supposed to hold up to 1,500 pounds. Here it is right here. And we're just gonna put this thing together first. Tiny little update. We just attached the rear support beam to the caster up here. And yeah, it was just a few bolts putting on the wheels. Nothing has actually been torqued down. Look who showed up in this clean ass 350Z. The one and only. Damn, what's going on with this? Holy shit.
So I'm in the process of repairing the Nismo bumper.
I think it's pretty dry right now. I'm just gonna go over it with the 80 grit. And also, that is so smooth. Holy shit.
Meanwhile,
One step closer to the motor build. We have the engine stand put together. Matt and I put it together fairly quickly. Matt actually helped me tighten all the lugs down, all the bolts down. And now the only thing is we gotta figure out this stand. Gotta figure out how to mount this to the transmission side of the K24.
Where's that engine?
It's so small, it's like hiding.
I know, I'm trying to look for it. Hold on. Don't tell me where it is. I wanna... Well, it's obviously in this side, so... Oh, yeah, I see it. There it is. This is about to become a beast. It's like unwrapping a Christmas present.
But better, it's a motor. So it's gonna mount to this.
Oh, okay. Alright guys, so we're on our way to RPM. And we're gonna get that bolt that we need to put on the transmission.
Yeah, the transmission side of the engine. We have some of the bolts, but they're not long enough for the engine stand, so we're just gonna go to RPM, check out what's going on with the RSX, and hopefully they can give us some free bolts. We'll see.
Yeah. Alright, Gary's RSX, and then we have a whole bunch of R32s. Alright, we got the bolts, they have it. Thanks to RPMNYC for supplying for us.
Thank you, Tony. Thank you, Ken.
Yeah.
I will be bringing those bolts back. Hopefully.
Within a year, maybe? Yeah? Alright, so yeah, we got the bolts now. We're gonna go back home and try to mount the engine.
Yeah, see if we got the muscles.
Yeah, they said at least 3 guys to lift it up, but we only have 2, so we'll see. We'll see.
later.
Alright guys. 2 Asian muscles. But are we gonna be able to put the motor on the motor stand?
Yeah, so Tony said at least 3 guys to put on the mount. So, but we only got 2 of us here, so let's see if we were able to. It's kind of...
How to drop a K24 motor on the floor.
1, 2, 3.
Hold on, lift down a little bit. I get it right. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Got it? Oh. Go. there. Alright, get the pin. Who said two guys can't do it, huh? Oh. You did it. Sensubi! Alright, Gary. We did it, man. Props. Yeah, no problem. Whew. Damn, it's heavy, but we did it. What we did is we put some WD-40 in here just so that it slides in a little better. But yeah, now we got it up on the stand, and then we got a lot of room to play with now.
So excited.
So what's the first thing that you're gonna be doing?
We're going to take the head off first. Yeah. We're going to take the head off. We're going to take this stuff off on the side so that we can get to the timing chain. So once we get the timing chain off, then the whole head can come off.
Okay. Stay tuned until the next video, and then we're gonna be tearing down this engine.
We're going to show you step by step how to take down the head, take down the block. Yeah, we're just basically going to tear the motor apart and show you guys the process.
Yeah, hopefully you guys will learn something as well if you guys are planning on doing a Honda K20 build.
Exactly. And stay tuned. We got big things coming for this motor.
And stay tuned to watch my bumper if you want to see how I repair it, so you guys can save money as well from going to a body shop and just do it yourself. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. Please hit that like, comment, and
Subscribe.